Hello. Gonna do a tip run in the fresh cap. Let's give this a whirl.
Last week's done right here under your dresser. Bye-bye. It's creeping in swiftly, it's definitely here. There's nothing more deadly than slow going fear.
Locked and loaded.
Life was full and fruitful and you could take a real bite. The juice pouring well over your skin's delight. The shadow it grows and takes the depth away, leaving broken down pieces to this priceless ballet. The shallower it grows, the shallower it grows. The thing till we go to lay out now.
Dude, it's like it just vibrated.
That was a vibration.
Is that like a pulse?
What says that?
Do it 100%.
That was it.
That was only 50%.
Oh, that's okay. That's a nice little like.
You like that,
All the lights just. Oh!
How's this look? It's alright. What's going on, boys? Just come out of the survey, do a Cali session. Gonna go pretty light. I've got no weights, obviously. So we're gonna hit everything except legs. We're gonna start with back, bi, and then do chest and then core. So I'm gonna aim to do 2 exercises per muscle group. Muscle ups and then pull ups for back, and then for chest we'll do chest and try. We'll do probably handstands first, because I'll be the most, probably try handstand push-ups first and just holds, and then do dips after that. And then we'll go and do core, just some leg raises on the bar probably, and there's a little fucking bench we can do that on. But we're mainly just going for good form today, explosiveness. Because we've got no weights to sort of push heavy with, so maintain form, explosiveness, and we'll go from there. Just because I want to learn how to get such a clean muscle up where I can just pull all the way through and it's one motion, rather than sort of getting stuck here and then pushing up as a dip on the straight bar. But to be honest, I think I'm a long way off that, so we'll just keep pushing. But yeah, muscle ups first, band only today, and then we'll just do strict pull-ups. Next up, we did 3 sets of muscle ups and pull-ups. Now we're just going to do handstands, try and do push-ups. You can see how sore the shoulder is, it's been icky. And then straight into dips for a superset. So the key with the push-ups is to try and go down on an angle rather than straight down. So you're leaning into it like that, but my shoulder's fucked. So I'm just gonna do handstand holds, and then hopefully dips, it's not as bad. Otherwise it might just be a back and core day, to be honest. Alright, hopefully dips is... I have to move the camera. Up above, man with the one. Oh, thank God, that's fine. Just trying to go deeper than usual because we got no weight. Makes it so much harder if you go just that like a little bit deeper. Alright, so handstand holds and dips it is. Alright, there we go. Speaker's dead. Oh. Speaker's dead. All Goggins now. All Goggins. Not sure this is recording. Wee. Alright, so core, keep it simple. No need to overcomplicate shit. I've already done my core day this week, but since I'm here, might as well do it. So, all I'm doing is raises and then twists, and then I'll hold to finish, and we'll do 3 sets of that. Go all the way down, Zach. Set 1. Done.
I sit and watch it the road standing where I'm at. Girl, I'm thousand notes behind my lover's back, and I'm keeping my secrets fine.
Oh! Oh my god. Oh no! Oh my god.
What a beauty!
How the fuck did that happen? Good shot.
Damn!
Maybe I'm just getting late.
Hold on to me, don't let me go. Who cares what they see? Who cares what they know? Your first name is free, last name is dumb, but you still believe in where we're from. Man's right flag.